Hey everyone, and welcome to Minutes Review. Today we embarking on a delicious journey through history to explore the humble apple, a fruit that's not only incredibly tasty, but also deeply intertwined with politics, evolution, and even our culture. So grab your favorite apple slice and get ready to bite into the story of this iconic fruit. From wild origins to royal orchards, the apple's political past. Wild beginnings take a trip back in time to Kazakhstan, where the wild apple, Malus saievacii, still reigns supreme. These small sour fruits were a vital food source for ancient societies, even starring in legends like the golden apples of domestication and power play. Fast forward a few thousand years, and apples become cultivated treasures. Roman emperors like Nero prized them, planting vast orchards and even using them as political pawns. In China, emperors controlled apple cultivation, making them a symbol of power and wealth. The forbidden fruit and beyond, of course. We can't forget the apple's infamous role in the Garden of Eden. While the Bible doesn't specify the fruit, artists and folklore cemented the apple as the symbol of temptation and knowledge. Apple's journey through time. Natural selection hybridization. Did you know there are over 7,500 apple varieties today? This incredible diversity arose from natural selection in different climates and through cross-pollination by bees. The Silk Road played a crucial role in spreading apple genes, resulting in new and exciting flavors. From Granny Smith to Honeycrisp, some of the iconic apple heroes who changed the game. John Chapman, aka Johnny Appleseed, planted orchards across America, while scientists like Luther Burbank tirelessly experimented with new varieties. Modern challenges and innovation today, apple growers face climate change and evolving consumer preferences. But technology is providing solutions, with drought-resistant strains and genetically modified varieties offering disease resistance and long. Apple mania, the market demand, and top users. A global appetite. Apples are the second most popular fruit globally, with China leading the pack in production and consumption. From fresh bites to juice, cider, pies, and even cosmetics, apples are incredibly versatile. Health benefits and trendy treats. Did you know apples are a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants? This has fueled their popularity in the health-conscious market, leading to innovative products like apple chips and smoothie bowls. The future of apples with growing demand and research into new uses. The apple's future looks bright. Expect exciting new varieties, sustainable farming practices, and even apple-based biofuels. Top exporters and global trade routes. Apple empires. Discover the countries that dominate the apple export market, like China, the United States, Poland, and Italy. Each region has its own unique apple specialties and export destinations. Tools and cultural exchange. Apples are more than just a fruit. They're cultural ambassadors. Trade routes like the Silk Road and modern shipping networks connect apple growers with consumers worldwide, fostering appreciation for diverse flavors and. With the rise of e-commerce and sustainable practices, the global apple trade is constantly evolving. This opens up exciting opportunities for small-scale growers and strengthens cultural connections around the world. So there you have it, the deep history of the apple. A story filled with politics, evolution, market trends, and global connection. Remember, next time you take a bite into this juicy fruit, you're not just enjoying a snack, you're experiencing a legacy that stretches back millennia. Now, go forth and spread the apple love. What's your favorite apple variety? Share in the comments below. Want to learn more about apple production in your region? Tell us where you're from. Subscribe for more fascinating deep dives into the history of everyday things. Thanks for watching. Love you all. See you in next video.